Tanzania, a country full of natural beauty and cultural diversity, is about to celebrate its Independence Day. To mark this special occasion, let's dive into some fascinating facts about Tanzania that highlight why this nation is so unique. 1. Tanzania gained independence on December 9, 1961. On December 9, 1961, Tanzania, then known as Tanganyika, gained independence from British colonial rule. A year later, in 1964, Tanganyika united with Zanzibar to form the United Republic of Tanzania. This date marks the beginning of the modern history of a united and independent nation. 2. Tanzania is home to Africa's highest mountain, Mount Kilimanjaro. The tallest mountain in Africa is located in Tanzania. Standing at 5,895 meters, 19,341 feet, it is a popular destination for adventurers and climbers from around the world. The snow-capped peak of Kilimanjaro is a symbol of the country's strength and natural beauty. 3. The Serengeti National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Serengeti is world famous for its incredible wildlife and the spectacular migration of millions of wildebeest and zebras. This national park is one of the oldest and most iconic conservation areas globally, representing Tanzania's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. 4. Over 120 ethnic groups and languages. Tanzania is one of the most culturally diverse countries in Africa, with more than 120 ethnic groups living in harmony. Swahili, the national language, unites these groups and is a key part of Tanzania's national identity. 5. Zanzibar. The Spice Island Zanzibar, an important part of Tanzania, is renowned globally as the Spice Island. It has played a central role in trade and history, particularly in the production of spices and the exchange of cultures. Today, Zanzibar is a popular tourist destination, known for its white sandy beaches and rich history. 6. The cradle of humankind. The Olduvai Gorge in Tanzania is one of the most significant archaeological sites in the world, where some of the oldest human fossils have been discovered. These findings have provided valuable insights into the origins of humanity, making Tanzania a key location for archaeology and history. 7. Tanzania is a nation of peace. Since gaining independence, Tanzania has been a beacon of stability and peace in the region. Under the leadership of its first president, Julius Nyerere, the country became a model of unity and solidarity in Africa. Tanzania is a nation that beautifully blends history, nature, and culture. As we celebrate its Independence Day, we honor not only the achievements of the past, but also the hope for a bright future. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more inspiring stories about Africa. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Share it with your friends and family to help spread the message. Thank you for your support. Together, we can make a difference. See you next time on Afrovision.